So next is absolute extrema or minima. So let f of xy be a continuous function on a closed and bounded set R. Bounded set means if all a set is bounded if all points in it is enclosed by a rectangle, then it is called a bounded set. Okay. So f of x is a continuous function in R, then there exists at as absolute maximum and absolute minimum of f on R. Okay. This is another way of finding the extrema or minima. Absolute extrema can occur both in the interior part of the region or on the boundary of R. R is the region. Okay. So closed region. So absolute extrema can occur both in the interior or the boundary points. But if it occurs in the interior point, then it occurs at the critical point. Okay, so there may be a chance of finding the absolute extrema on the critical points also. If the absolute extrema occurs at the boundary of A, then it following steps are okay. So absolute extrema occurs on the boundary of R. Then which are the steps? First of all, find the critical points that lie in the interior of R. Find the critical points in the interior of R. That is dou f by dou x is equal to 0 and dou f by dou y is equal to 0. Then find the boundary points at which absolute extrema can occur. Okay, so find the critical points, that is by substituting dou f by dou x is equal to 0 and dou f by dou y is equal to 0, and also the boundary points. Then find the value of the function at all of these points, that is the points in the interior of R, that is the critical points, and the boundary points. Then largest of these is the maximum value and smallest is the minimum value. Okay, so these are the steps. So we can see an example. Find the absolute extrema of f of xy is equal to 3xy minus 6x minus 3y plus 7 on a closed triangle with vertices 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 5. So this is the triangle, vertices at 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 5. Okay, so the triangle is named as ABC. So the boundary points are that means the vertices. Okay, A, B and C. So these are the boundary points. Then there may be interior points at which the absolute extrema, that is a maximum or minimum, can occur. So we need to find the interior also. Interior points are find out by find the critical, that is the critical points, that is put dou f by dou x is equal to 0 and dou f by dou y is equal to 0. So what is dou f by dou x? It is 3y minus 6 and dou f by dou y is 3x minus 3. So this may be 0. So 3y minus 6 0 means y is 2, 3x minus 3 0 means x is 1. So 1 2 is the critical point. So there is a point inside the triangle. So 1 2 is a point in interior of the triangle. So the points are the boundary points, the three vertices and this point also 1 2. So we need to consider all the 4 points. So we can find the values of the function at these points. So what is the value of the function at 1 2? That is putting x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2 in the given function f of xy. So it is 1. So let it be there. Then next one, boundary points are 0 0, 3 0 and 0 5. So we need in addition to that we need to check whether the extremum can occur along this line AB, along the line BC or along the line CA. Okay. So for that, what is the equation of AB? Equation of AB is the x-axis. So its equation is y is equal to 0. So what is f of xy? F of xy becomes, if y is 0, it is minus 6, x is 0. So minus, y is 0, then minus 6x plus 7. Okay, minus 6x plus 7. Then what is the derivative of f? That is, if f dash is 0, that is the point at which maximum or minimum can occur. So what is f dash? F dash is minus 6, but minus 6 is not equal to 0. That means there is no extrema, maximum or minimum along this line by AB. So leave it. Next one. Along AC, what is the equation of AC? It is the x-axis, y-axis. So its equation is x is equal to 0. So f of xy becomes minus 3y plus 7. And what is the derivative of f? It is minus 3. This is also not equal to 0. So derivative not equal to 0 means there does not exist any points at which extrema occur. So along AC also there is no point, no critical points. So extrema, maximum, minima can occur only at the end points. Then along BC, what is the equation of BC? BC is a line joining 3, 0 and 0, 5. So what is the equation connecting 2 points? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. Y minus y1. The points are 3, 0 and 0, 5. So y minus 0 by y2 minus y1. 5 minus 0, 5. Then x minus 3 by 0 minus 3 minus 3. So it is y is equal to 5 minus 5 by 3x. And what is f of xy? Put this value of y in the place of y. So 3xy minus x minus 3y plus 7. Okay, simplifying, we are getting minus 5x square plus 14x minus 8. Okay, so what is the derivative of that function? F dash is minus 10x plus 14, and this is equal to 0 means x is 14 by 10 or 7 by 5. But so along BC there x is a point at which extrema can occur. So x is equal to 7 by 5 is the critical point along BC. So if x is 7 by 5, what is y? Y is 5 minus 5 by 3x. So it is 8 by 3. So 7 by 5, 8 by 3 is the critical point. Okay. So we get 3 plus 1, 4 points. Okay. So 1, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 5 and 7 by 5, 8 by 3. Find the value of the function at all these 5 points. So we get 1, it is 0, it is x is 0, y is, x is 3, y 0 substituting, we get minus 11. 0, 5 substituting 0, 5, x is 0, y 5 substituting, it is minus 8 and it is 9 by 5. So which is the least value? Minus 11 is the least value. So 3, 0 is the point of minimum and the minimum value is minus 11. 9 by 5 is the maximum value. So maximum occur, not 9 by 5, it is 7. So 7 is the maximum point, it occurs at 0, 0. Okay.